You see the juices dripping, guys? You see that? Oh man, it's like a faucet. It's like a water fountain right now. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Man, it is the end of the year, guys. By the time you're watching this, it's gonna probably be around Christmas time or perhaps beyond that. So, guys, happy New Year's to you. Merry Christmas, happy Thanksgiving, whatever holiday you're watching this in, or whatever time of the year you're watching this. I salute everybody that's watching this video. But man, oh guys, I got a treat for you today. So instead of doing the traditional turkey, ham, or meatloaf or anything that you do for a protein base for the holidays, guys, I have a great alternative. We can do some beautiful rack of pork. Take a look at that, guys. Woo, man, it's looking amazing. I got this baby just in, and it's gonna get that beautiful smoke from that fruit blend that we're using today, which is that apple, that cherry, and that maple blend. That is gonna be some good smoke flavor, guys. We also injected with Tony's Juiciness. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that name. I'm not, familiar with that particular name, but I know that that marinade, it is wonderful, guys. Man, you can do it on pork, you can do it on turkey, and you could definitely do it on chicken. And we also season it and put a good coating of rub on it. We use Malcolm's Reed D rub and the Cuisinart bourbon molasses. So 3 flavors of combinations is going to marry this beautiful rack of pork into some beautiful bliss of flavors, guys. So I can't wait to taste that, because at the end of the video is the taste test part, which is my favorite. So guys, we're going to try to produce a video each and every single month, with perhaps twice a month, I should say, in order to give you that better quality of what we're trying to do in regards to barbecue and other food. So in order to do that, guys, I need you guys to be able to support and be able to be a sponsor into our channel. So again, as I mentioned in the previous videos, we do have a membership coming out real soon. The ebook is almost in the final stages of being released. So guys, just bear with me, and I'm gonna show you the ways to support my channel down in the link below, and also it's going to be a screen right here that shows you how to support my channel. So guys, this is a beautiful time of the year for me. So that smoke flavor that you see right there, that smoke aroma, it is hitting my palate because I'm ready to eat. So let's take this journey, because I want to show you how we gonna do this beautiful rack of pork, guys. So stay tuned. Part 1. Open lid. Rolling smoke, close lid. Crank temperatures 300 degrees. Set temperature. Wait to come to temp. Ooh, baby, I wish you could smell that beautiful aroma. Oh man, guys, we've been running about 303 at this point, for between 301 and 303 for a good 20 minutes at this point. Let's take a look at our beautiful rack of pork. Take a look at that, guys. Oh man, yes sir. Take a look at that shine, that sweat from those beautiful rubs, that Cuisinart bourbon molasses, that Malcolm Reed's D barbecue rub. Oh man, that is looking amazing, guys. Sheesh. Oh yeah. So it's time to put that beauty into this beautiful smoke in here. All right, she's going in, guys. So this might take about a good hour and a half to 2 hours, and we're gonna let this beauty rock and roll till she's done at 140, 142. Oh man, I can't wait, guys. Close the lid. I don't want to lose any of that smoking heat, so let us do its magic, guys. All right, guys, as you can see, we've been running steadily at 300 for the last hour. Let's take a look at our beautiful rack of pork. Man, oh man, take a look at that, guys. Look at how pretty and sexy she looks. Holy smokes. Oh man, she's looking amazing, guys. Wow. Let's take a little quick temp to see where she's standing at. As you can see, we've got a little juices running off of, because I temped her earlier, about good half an hour ago, 20 minutes ago. Let's take a look where she's at now. About 93, 94. So We're gonna let this continue to rock and roll a little bit. I'm gonna spritz it with a mixture of apple juice and apple cider vinegar, and I'm just gonna rotate this around so we can get an even coating of that spritz and even coating of that smoke flavor and heat, guys. So I'm gonna let this rock and roll, guys, and we'll see you back in the next clip. Oh man, she's almost there, guys. We're beyond the halfway mark. All right, guys, it's been exactly another hour. We're still running at 300 steadily, and let's take a look. Oh, you can't tell me that don't look good, guys. You cannot tell me that does not look appealing and sexy to you. Oh man. All right, guys, moment of truth. Let's take a little gander. Where we at? Right down the middle. All right, we're almost there, guys. 125.4 steadily, and as you can see, the juices are coming out because it's nice and juicy. We're gonna keep it going for another half an hour, and we'll see you back shortly. I'm gonna flip this bad boy around one more time just to get an even coating of heat and maybe spritz it a little bit more. But other than that, guys, she's looking phenomenal. Oh man. All right, guys, it's been 3:01 for the last 25 minutes. Let's take a gander at our beautiful pork, rack of pork, I should say. Oh man, take a look at that, guys. Yes sir. Oh, still looks amazing. So as we did previously in the other clip, let's take a gander to see what the internal temp look like. Oh man, hit the mark, guys. We're right there. So I'm gonna pull it and then wrap it because we're at 141, and let it rest for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. And we're gonna slice into this bad boy to see what it looks like inside and get to the best part, which is the taste test. So guys, stay tuned because I'm excited. I hope you are. Oh man, I can't wait, guys. I cannot wait. Guys, you already know what time it is. So this is the result of some beautiful, beautiful smoked rack of pork. Oh man, this is amazing in itself. Look at that beautiful color, guys. Look at that. Oh man, the glistening, the juices are running. You can see my board is, you know, getting juiced up from the juices are running out, and that means this is beautifully done. So 2.5 hours worth of smoke, guys, with some beautiful, beautiful smoke flavor for that, you know, fruit flavors blend that we did with the apple, the cherry, and the maple. Oh man, it is infusing here, guys. But let's do a quick recap so we can tell you what we did so far. We took the rack of pork out of the packages. We did a little quick rinse in the sink to get rid of any excess debris. We then Pellet dry, and then we injected with some beautiful Tony Chachards, however you say the last name. I apologize. Louisiana, down in Louisiana, guys, please forgive me. I'm not, you know, cultured down there with this beautiful thing until the last couple of years. And this beautiful product right here is not just good for pork, but it's good for chicken and turkey. So guys, get you some of this. This is available at your local market. We definitely season the top because we can't just go from one flavor without the other was to get a perfect marriage. So we definitely hit it with the Malcolm's Reed D barbecue rub, and of course we hit it with a little sweetness, which is the Cuisinart bourbon molasses, guys. Man, enough talking. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we smoked it for 2.5 hours. I thought we were going to be around 2 hour mark, but we smoked it for 2.5 hours to get to that 141 mark, 142, and we let it rest for 20 minutes. Guys, the entire 20 minutes, I tell you, my mouth was watering the entire time looking at this beauty. Take a look at this, guys. You cannot tell me your mouth won't be watering and dying to taste some of this beautiful rack of pork. So guys, enough talking. Let's get to cutting. Let's get to eating, because the next clip is where we're going to do the best part of the video, which is what? The taste testing. Alright guys, I do apologize for showing this other end of the rack of pork, because on this side that I just cut, it did not come out on video for some reason. I thought I filmed it, but it did not come out. So this is making sure that I do have the best part of the video, which is cutting down right down on the best part. And let's get a slice down nice and clean. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Oh yeah, this is what I'm after right there. Take a look at that. Woo, baby, take a look at that. Wow, this is what I'm after right there, guys. Yes sir, look at all those juices running from the board. This is what I'm after. You see the juices dripping, guys? You see that? Oh man, it's like a faucet, it's like a water fountain right now. Woo! This is what I'm talking about. Perfection at its finest. Rack of pork, guys. Man, let's cut into it. A dime for that taste test. All I'm using is a regular, in case you was wondering, just a brisket knife. Let's take a look at that. Oh man, cheers everybody. Oh, it is tender. It's moist, as you can see the juices. Wow, these flavors, guys, woo, are definitely there. This is a great alternative, guys, as I stated earlier in the video, to turkey, to beef, to chicken, to ribs. I mean, well, technically these are almost just like ribs. Oh man, I gotta get another cut. I'm sorry, I gotta get another slice. Oh my God, a little bit of juice. Look at that, just like a faucet. Oh, this is gonna be good with some mashed potatoes, guys. Oh man, listen, this is some beautiful, beautiful rack of pork, guys. It's simple to do. I mean, you can get it from any butcher's shop or any market that sells, you know, a rack of pork, or you can do it with a rack of lamb, however you want to do it. But these beautiful flavors, they are marinated in here. Oh man, you can taste the sweetness, you can take the marinade. I mean, you can't go wrong with this one right here, guys, the barbecue rub. But oh man, enough talking, guys. Listen, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button as well. Share this video with all your family and friends. And like I said, this is a great alternative to, you know, any holidays that you have coming up, especially if you want dinner for 2, dinner for 4. This is the way to go to impress your guests, guys, man. And on top of that, guys, again, as I said earlier in the video, we're almost at the final stages of our ebook. The membership is coming real soon. And again, if you would like, please sponsor our channel by ways of donating, by ways of giving. And it's going to be linked right here and also in the description box. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. And comment down below, guys, how do you do your rack of lamb or rack of pork or rack of anything? So this is amazing, and I'll see you guys on the next one, because you know, this is my holiday tradition that I'm going to start right now, and hopefully keep it going and see if my family likes a different alternative other than turkey, meatloaf, ribs, or brisket, anything else that I normally do. But this is going to be a future tradition for me that started back in the 80s, the 90s, and I'm going to keep it going, guys. Till the next time, and when I see you again, peace.